Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of Phumlani Njilo in the blue corner. And now, his opponent, as he walks through the ring, South Africa, Africa, the whole world. Here is multi-award winning artist, celebrity, Big Zulu.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Shale shumile nasibonisa ibhayi ngabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ibhayi ngabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ibhayi ngabsese uma shale shumile kichima mantamani ngabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ibhayi ngabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ingabsese 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 uma shale shumile kichima mantamani ingabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ingabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ingabsese uma shale shumile nasibonisa ingabsese uma shale.
Ladies and gentlemen, Olive Convention Center, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. This is the main celebrity bout. This is the main celebrity event brought to you proudly by Thulatlatla Boxing Promotions. Lempi, it's been a while in the making. These two boxers are meeting here to settle a score, and they are ready. Fight fans, are you ready? And we've got Judge 1, Judge 2, Judge 3, and we've got a referee here. So 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And you also be the judges. Right. Let's introduce these celebrity boxers. Starting first with the boxer that answers the bell from the blue corner. He wears white and gold trunks. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrated businessman Induduzo Funerals. One of the best in the game of entrepreneurship. And he's taken up a challenge to face his opponent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for this celebrity contest. Here is Phumlani Umlilo Njilo. And he faces this man who answers the bell from the red corner. Wears white and blue trunks. This his second fight, celebrity fight. And he comes into the ring because he's had his opponent Ambizankabi Babi. Ladies and gentlemen, here is multi-award singing sensation, Big Zulu. Referee, boxers.
Gentlemen, let us respect the crane, respect the referee, obey my commands. I say break, you break, and you come out cleaning, fighting. Shake hands. God bless.
Seconds out, round number 1. Liwa ngenduku la, akwazi. Asisuse lezi zinto. Ngeke. Angikaze ngaba ne-desire yokulimala.
Sengizokuthengela umbhayimbayi
Rob's your uncle, but you worry about your country. I don't take Molly, I take Lil Roxy and my daughter out to get chiffon dresses from the shopping complex. And I'm not trying to shop a complex. I put my shit in the music so you can find strength. It's a little project I built from the onset. Ordinary people baptized, and that's a John Legend. Born in Tanzania.
You have to sit, sir. You have to sit.
Ladies and gentlemen, yo, hi, yo, the Stella In the ring, the board members, Mr. Eric Sitole, Dr. Ntangeni, and Mr. Sodo. Please come to the ring, our board, PSA. South Africa, if I say pelil. I was screaming, so need we say more? Let's give these two celebrities a big round of applause. What a fight. What a fight. I think personally, Mr. Dada, the promoter, please come to the ring. The promoter, Dr. Dada, no mama, utlengiwe Dada. These two boxers, they can fight the best in the world. That's for sure. Siyavumelana. They are the best of the best. Situgile ku boxing uthi we got these boxers. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngibona ngathi uNkabi Records uzoyeka music aze ku boxing. Ngibona ngathi uNjilo uzoyeka business aze ku boxing. As we wait for the judges, and you are the judges, Sister Linda, scores, and then we'll interview these two gladiators. Ozizwayo, aze azobamita ahlangane nabo. Ozizwayo. We've got Dr. Ntangeni, we've got Hlengiwe Jobe, Hlengiwe Dada, and our promoter, Dr. Elfas Dada, in the ring. Thank you very much. What a blessing, what a tournament. The best in Africa. This was the best exhibition ever. This was. Asumshane Nizanda. Let's give him a big round of applause. And we've got Mr. Sakiwe Sodo, board member, and we've got acting CEO, member of the PSA board, Eric Nsigayezwe Sitole. And then it's Nontobego, who's doing the planning for us. And it's Linde Ama results. I'm also waiting patiently. Julius. Bernard Julius Jewelers Jewelry. Hey, Bernard Jewelry as a petty price as a ring in. And I've got gold here. This was the main celebrity bout event. And it was scheduled for 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And it went 4 rounds, 2 minutes. And we go to the judges' scorecards. The first of our 3 judges scores the contest for Phumlani Umlilo Njilo. Our second judge scores the contest as a draw. And our third and final judge scores the contest in favor of your winner via majority decision. And he makes a winning debut, Phumlani Umlilo Njilo.
Ngifunana nawe.
Okay. Bernard Jewelers, Barrett Legacy.
Angaze ngayibona intombi njengawe. Ngalihamba lonke ilizwe ngifuna.
Guys. Yeah. These two guys here, these two champions here have been working very hard. And as a jeweler, I decided to make something very beautiful for them. And it's the chain that favors both of them. And it was manufactured by Barrett Legacy. And this chain was dedicated to Pumlani Njilo and Big Zulu. Guys, you two guys are winners. You've been working very hard, and this chain that I'm presenting is very beautiful. Whoever who lost today, may God bless them, and I hope that next time they'll get the chance to win what I have here. My name is Berend. I'm a jewelry manufacturer, and I would like to thank the guys for giving me an opportunity to sponsor them with a beautiful diamond chain. Thank you very much, guys.
Yes, baby. Stand. You deserve, boy. You deserve this. You work hard. It was painful. Now it's happiness time. Injabulo yodwa manje.
Thank you very much. That is the award from Barrett Legacy. At the moment, we're gonna have to talk to these celebrities. We start first with Big Zulu. Big Zulu. This fight, you both prepared kakhulu. But wazi ukuthi it's gonna happen, and wazi ukuthi he's ready, coming in. What did you do that went wrong?
Angicabanga ukuthi ikhona into engiyenze wrong yabona ngicabanga ukuthi ngilwe kahle. I think into ayenze kakhulu yena. I think bezama ukungikhathaza, ungibambe too much, ungibamba even inyawo. We understand? So and angiphikisani ngokuthi uwinile ne. Uthrow ama-punches amaningi, most yawo bengangeni. Uyazi naye bengangeni bephelele ezandleni. Ungibambe inyawo lo muntu more than 5 times inyawo straight. So wina njani umuntu owenza kanjalo, you understand? Angimbambi ungibamba inyawo straight kanje. Mhlawumbe yimi ongawazi ama rules eboxing, you understand? But angibalekeli win yakhe, uwinile, ngiyambongela, usebenze kanzima, kodwa nje kungenza ukuthi mhlawumbe yimi ongawazi ama rules eboxing, yabona? Yeah.
Kodwa ke congratulations to you. Congratulations. I think you are a very clever boxer. And there's a lot of things that we've seen Nathi go boxing professionally, which actually puts you amongst some of the best. So credit to you for coming in and giving him a fight.
Yeah, hayi bengamniki fight noma kunini kanti nalokubaleka kwakhe bengazi ukuthi uzobaleka ngoba
bazi ukuthi bekumele ngumnocke out so ucoach wakhe behlakaniphe kakhulu wazile ukuthi kumele angikhathaze and yena betshela ukuthi from 3rd round ngizobe sengikhathele but ngiyenaye ku 4th round engibamba inyawo kunjalo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Big Zulu. Asiye manje ku our winner of this contest, Njilo. Congratulations. Very strategic. You worked very hard for this fight.
Yeah, no, thank you so much. But first of all, I'd just like to give praise to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And I wouldn't be here if it besides of him. I want to honor and greet my biological dad, Ubabu Tembanjilo. Greetings to my spiritual dad, Apostle Collins Lom, and my spiritual mom. All my sisters and brothers Abako, and I thank you so much for the support. And everyone who came from Pietermaritzburg and Gabonga, Piroski, thank you. Yeah, man, it was a tough fight. You know, Big Zulu is a very, very a strong boxer. Now, I saw his first fight, working Gumuntu first round. So, Lea right hand working got no respect. So, Coach Wamu Vusimdola, we worked very hard at the gym to make sure I keep running around the gym. Gumkataza, Gumtob as a swing, Jobagang Shield. So, he says, Saking is Tobozil and Astobos, what the Nese Cartel. So I think his strategy says to 7 Zile. Thank you so much to Knockout Legends, Uche, Mibeno Richard, here as well, got the Beng Caesar, Coach Vusim Tolonai. But honestly speaking, Big Zulu is a phenomenal fighter. I respect him in and outside the ring. He's such a great guy. You know, it's rare to find a celebrity, humble Jengo Big Zulu. And thank you so much for accepting the fight and giving the fans such a great night tonight.
Njilo, now, what do you want to happen next?
You know, I think, I can see this trend, the celebrity fights, it's actually working. If you look at this place, you know, they are having fun. I think, obviously, it might be time for me to call out the next challenge. I think the next person I'd want to challenge will be Casper Nyovest. I think he's a good boxer, you know, and I think it'll be great for the fans again. And I think Big Zulu and it'll be great for him to come back in the ring and face someone who says, that's it for me.
There you have the winner calling out Casper Nyovest. Maybe that will happen. The promoter, Shula Data. But first, Sinigezu TJ Tira. TJ, you here supporting boxing, and you can see boxing, the crowds are coming, they're loving it, and I'm sure now one of these days you'll be in the ring. But what did you think about these two boxers in a few words?
Imesh ibimnandi kakhulu. Congratulations to Njilo. Siyabonga Zulu ngesibindi sakho sokuthi uvume ukuthi ungene eringini. Kodwa ke asiqedile lana. Sesifuna ke manje main match will be Big Zulu versus Casper Nyovest.
Casper Nyovest, they're calling you out. Dr. Dada, what a phenomenal fight, this fight here today.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Sibonga kakhulu kubo bonke abahambele lo mcimbi. Ikakhulukazi sibuka ukuthi kuzoba ne battle of the genres. Ekuyona kade kuyi elimination yayo la. We're looking forward to DJ Tira Qala versus Casper Nyovest. That's first one. Second one, uzobelindile uBig Zulu. Ozowina lapho uzoza kuBig Zulu. Ngapha kulokhunjane kumfoka Njilo cha umfoka Njilo uzobhekana noKhuzani akaye kuKhuzani ibhethle amabhinqa akangazikhetheli upromote mina yena uzotshela ukuthi uyodlala nobani siyabonga kakhulu.
There you have it. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We go back to professional boxing, and thank you to our dignitaries, members of the BSA Boxing Board. Thank you for being with us and being part of this. And our celebrities, if you want to take pictures, they're always available to be with you to take pictures. Congratulations, Njilo, for the fight, and congratulations to your opponent, Big Zulu.